Stuck on Gamma AI's login screen? Can't find the Google sign-in button? I've been there, and it is super frustrating when something that should be simple just isn't obvious. Here's exactly how to do it in 30 seconds. All right, so here's the plan. I am going to walk you through 4 simple steps. We'll go to the site, click the login button, choose the Google option, and then pick your account. That's it. Let's get you signed in. Start by opening up your browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you normally use.
Then, in the address bar at the very top of your screen, you're going to type in gamma.app. Hit enter and just let the page load for a second. This is the main website, and it's where everything starts. Once it finishes loading, you'll see the main page with all of Gamma AI's options. So now that the page is loaded, look at the very top of the screen, over on the right-hand side. You'll see a button that says Login. It's usually pretty easy to spot because it's the only option up there that invites you to get into your account. Go ahead and click on that button. Nothing scary happens here, I promise. It just moves you to the next step. Once you click that Login button, a new sign-in page will appear. Now, pay attention to this part because this is where people usually get stuck. You'll see a couple of different options for signing in. Maybe an email and password field, maybe some other logos. But the one you want is distinguished and clear. It says, Continue with Google. It's usually a big button with the Google logo right next to it. Don't overthink it. Just click on that button. And here's the really important part. After you click that button, a new window from Google will pop up. This isn't Gamma anymore. This is Google asking for your permission. It will show you a list of your Google accounts. Maybe you have 2 or 3, like a personal one and a work one. Just click on the account that you want to use for Gamma AI. If you have to sign in to Google first, do that. But if you're already signed in, just pick one and click it. That's it. You're done. Give it just a moment to process and log you in. And boom, you are now seamlessly signed into Gamma AI using your Google account. You have full access to everything the tool has to offer. No more frustration, no more hunting for hidden buttons. You're in. Go create something awesome.